And look at that, now we got a rainbow for you. Hi, Shana. My name's Owen. This is the wonderful world of Corkagh Grange and the wacky ramps. This is reflective window glass. Put that in myself. Keeps everyone from looking out and nobody from looking in. Standard bins. Bit of a Burnham over here. Lavender, nice bit of growing well. And here we have the future flower bed, so we hope. And then this is the one here. That ramp, if you look at it closely, is about 14% rise, pushing 15% in an area that ought to only have 8% rise. Really, this is the lane way. This goes nowhere. So you can walk down here now. Watch this. This is good fun. This is the front door. This is the gap where the front gate was meant to be. There's the neighbours. And this is the rewilding area. Because why would you come down here unless you had to? There's the kids' football. And this is the fine wall blocking off access to the back sheds. That's my one down the far end there. Obviously you can get to the sheds, but you have to kind of go the long way. You kind of go out and round. Take the lads back down football someday soon. Yeah. And the trouble really is that whenever the building was going up, most of the people building the place had to kind of rush and do a lot of stop-start. The outer street level is about 14 inches, about 35.5 centimetres higher than the surface down there, as you look at it. And this is Corkagh Grange Avenue, running up this way, which means that this is obviously Corkagh Grange Way, where I actually live. The postman doesn't know how to get to the place a lot of the time. And it's a wonderful place to live. Apart from all that, it's a wonderful place to live. They look after us very well here. And this is your steep enough ramp. Which the plan, of course, is to run the ramp from this orientation, which is kind of southwest is that way, and northeast is that way. So if we run the ramp from here, run it all the way down over here, into that flower bed over there, then we can make the ramp a lot longer and a lot less steep, which I think is a winner. And that was the wonderful world of Corkagh Grange ramps. That's a magpie. Love you too, darling. Toodaloo.